My name is Ingrid Liliana Camacho Pico. I live in Mosquera. I am currently working as Human Management Analyst and Sunshine Bouquet, and I am studying Business Administration. The problem in Amazon began in the 19th when they began to deforest to expand the land for a rising cattle and growing soybean and palm oil. To the waning of the cattle has affected 80% of Brazilian rainforest, as Brazil is one of the countries that export. In addition to this, there is also another factor, the impact. In addition, there is the issue of illegal logging and export of timber. Along there is a law to regulate the issue has been complicated due to the high extent of forests and mafias that control the place. The Amazon is the largest ecosystem in the world, but weather change, arson, and logging are engineered. The ingenious communities that live there are also being affected because their livelihood depend of the natural environment and train hunting and fishing activities for the subsistence and being reduced have been hammered and caused them problems of poor nutrition is as if that were not often they I have also been infected with a disease for which they do not have sufficient defense to withstand the death and day. Water pollution and meaning have forced these communities to move to other place. To mitigate deforestation, the government that have sovereignty in the Amazon could be means of laws protect the ecosystem, be regulating logging and cattle ranching. Reinforce the presence of organizations that can guarantee the security of the activities that are carrying out there the controlling discrimination burning. Sentencing the nearby population should and together contributed to recover the largest ecosystem in the world, and not only the people near the place, but also do everyone should take chance understand the importance of conservation the Amazon. Thank you.